Welcome to HiBiz News. My name is Suresh Kochatan. Over 26 years ago, Dr. Gadipati Balakoteshwar Rao began a tryst with destiny. The chairman and managing director of Pragati Resorts is a mechanical engineer by training, a successful design engineer by talent, and an environmentalist by inclination. Today, that seed of an idea is a Pragati Biodiversity Knowledge Park that spreads over 2,500 acres, bringing to life an oasis of greenery, a rich Bharatiya Rishi Sanskriti and Vedic living. When Pragati was established in 1994, the area was totally barren, with terrible climatic conditions, such that even lizards would not lay eggs there. The water in the location was completely depleted due to mining of limestone, which made the land unfit for cultivation. Dr. Rao then selected this land on basis of these three criteria. One, it's away from the city and the highway, non-cultivable barren land, and totally depleted of water. Now in a way, the chaotic concrete jungle of the city has not reached Pragati. The once barren land is now greenery all over, and there's plenty of water all around. Pragati Group's trailblazing legacy of 2 decades can be traced to its profound reverence for safeguarding the purity of the Panchabhutas, the 5 elements of Indian ethos: air, water, fire, earth, and sky, and their deep-rooted belief for upholding the principles of Vriksho Rakshati Rakshita and Gau Samraksha. The significance of cattle and ecology as depicted in all the images of Lord Sri Krishna, which is a basis for leading a holistic life full of contentment and prosperity. Only by protection of these sacred, herbal, medicinal and aromatic plants and sacred heritage cows, humanity can counter 2 threats of hunger and pollution. Dr. Rao strongly believes that if we protect trees, it will protect us, and aims to develop garden cities and create spaces free of bad bacteria, virus and mosquitoes. Taking his vision further, he now cooperates with the renowned millet expert of India, Dr. K. Wali, to promote the Amrita Aharam with millets, herbal decoctions, wood and cold press oils, and palm jaggery. Based on the concept that food is a medicine, it brings health, wealth, happiness and joy to every household in India. For thousands of years, India has espoused this precious secret of health and healing. The nucleus of an organization was born in 1994, consumed by the passion to ensure that India's medical heritage must take its rightful place as one of the world's greatest healing systems. Pragati Group has thus assured in a concept of wellness for the society by harnessing the health-giving and healing power of plants. Pragati Green Meadows and Resorts is an ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018 organic and IGBC rated resorts. Pragati is also one of the world's first resort to obtain the integrated ISO certification and green rating from the Indian Green Building Council. At Pragati, there are 130 rooms for each one to stay, each uniquely developed in sync with the requirements of our guests. Pragati has planted more than 3 lakh trees in the area. Proportionately for each room at Pragati, there are 30,000 trees. Pragati has created one-of-its-kind genome banks in the world for a wide variety of flora and fauna, out of which 650 plant species are medicinal and aroma herbs. Out of the 2,500 acres, the sacred herbal medicinal plants, arranged as per the direction of wind, sun and water, create positive vibes. Each tree has an aura around it. An ordinary plant has 2.0% aura. These plants are arranged in such a way to enhance the lifestyles and balance all living beings within a radius. It's wonderful to learn about the success of this story and exemplifies the environmentalist in Dr. G.B.K. Rao. Thank you for watching.